I'm going to demolish Steak and Shake with a minigun. Yay! I demolished Steak and Shake with a minigun. No more Steak and Shake forever. Oh no, it's Ms. Vantrax.
Classic Sam Sharp. Did you demolish Steak and Shake with a minigun? You better tell me the truth right now.
Well, to tell you that, yes, I did demolish Steak and Shake with a minigun because this fast food restaurant sucks.
Oh my god. Classic Sam Sharp. How dare you demolish Steak and Shake with a minigun? Thank a lot. Now we really need to rebuild this restaurant because of you. That's it. I'm calling your sister Sam Sharp about this. Go home right now.
Art.
Really classic Sam Sharp. Really? What the heck is wrong with you? I can't believe you demolished Steak and Shake with a minigun. That's it. You are grounded for 11,768 months. Go to your room now.